Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I am chemistry teacher. I have 20 years experience of teaching. So I want to explain, I want to give some lessons of chemistry for the students who are interested. So I have done MSc in organic chemistry. So I'm defining, first of all, the first lesson is definition of chemistry. First of all, you know, this is science subject. So science is a vast knowledge. There is no particular sharp boundaries between the different subjects, different disciplines. Subjects are called disciplines. So scientific discipline divided into different branches. So chemistry is one of the branch of science. It involves elements and compounds. Element, what is element? Element has particular identity. Even the smallest size of an element having the same identity as compared to bulk of that element. Means carbon, the bulk of carbon is carbon and the smallest particle is also carbon. Compounds. Compounds is a combination of two or more elements like different compounds like carbohydrate is a compound. It is a macromolecule, but is a compound. Sodium chloride, simplest example, NaCl, common salt you are using in your home. So that is called table salt. It is a compound. Atoms. Elements made up of atoms. An atom, the old concept atom is the smallest particle. It cannot be divided furthermore, but it has particles like electrons, protons, neutrons. Molecules. Molecules are the combination of more than one atom, like H2, hydrogen molecule, O2, oxygen molecule. I left the example of atom like carbon atom, oxygen atom, having particular number of electron and proton and neutron. All elements, all atoms have electron, proton, neutron, and other particles. Okay, ions. Ions is the suppose sodium has one electron in its outermost shell. When it loses electron, it becomes ion, sodium positive ion. By the loss of electron, atom become positive. When chlorine gains one electron, it becomes chloride, Cl negative ion. Okay, again back to the pavilion, that is we are doing chemistry definition. So chemistry is a scientific discipline involved with the elements and the compounds composed of atoms and molecules and ions. Their composition. What is the composition? Suppose carbon dioxide is made up of carbon and oxygen, one carbon and two oxygen, CO2. What is the structure? Suppose diamond has particular geometry. What how the carbon atoms join together form a structure. Or sodium chloride, it is in the lattice form. Lattice, it is a network of sodium and chloride, alternate arrangement of sodium and chloride. So this is the structure. Properties: like sodium chloride, common salt, has saltish taste. It is highly soluble in water. So this is the property. Behavior: what is the behavior of the particular compound? Maybe it shows solubility, good solubility, maybe good electrolyte, means when dissolve in water become break up into ions. Like sodium chloride do this activity. It is an electrolyte. So it is the behavior of sodium chloride. When dissolved in water, it breaks up into positive and negative, sodium positive and chloride negative ion. And the changes. What are the changes? Suppose iron, simple iron rod. When you expose in air with the presence of moisture, and moisture means water vapors and oxygen, it change into rust. This is the change with respect to time. So this is the matter and changes. What are the changes? Rust formation. So this is the change in matter with respect to time is called a reaction. What is a reaction? When two elements, two molecules, two compounds, one element, one compound, one ion, another molecule, any. When two species combine together, two or more than two species combine together, what are the species? Like substance. So they form compound. They form product. Reactants form product.